arms hurt.
I don't know if y'all heard me. I ain't had a mic plugged in. I was saying we late at Ford. She wanna snooze every alarm. Let me make sure. Oh my fucking God.
They're gonna be like, you cannot get in.
What you mean?
I don't know. I hate working. I wish I didn't have a job.
Quit.
Oh, really? Let's go.
Alright.
You should go do some suicides over there on the grass.
You should go do some suicides.
No, you should go do some suicides.
Oh, I mean.
Another day has gone.
Let's go flip tires on that grass.
What? No. No.
It's cold. Oh. He let us
He
slide.
said that he said that yesterday. I already knew.
Well, no, he gave me the guest passes. He just said no.
I know.
But you gotta peep when it you just gotta go with the flow like that.
I know.
Just keep walking. You was waiting on him to be like, you getting a day pass?
No, I
Like,
won't.
just walk, man.
Whatever.
Ouch. Jeff R. Jackson's in the bitch killing. It's cold as fuck, man.
It is cold. I'm sorry.
Your pussy ass.
What? Nobody pussy. You be buying shirts and then you cut them.
When it start getting hot, just start cutting shit. Who wants to work out? Who wants to do chest day and just not see the muscles? Like, cut them all up.
Ouch. My legs already hurt from leg day on, what was that? Tuesday.
Really?
Well, it was mostly just glutes. Don't, you gotta grip me hard. What? It hurt?
Stop. Like, not just at that. Alright.
I'm barely even pulling.
Yeah, no.
He thought he was going so far yesterday.
No. I think it's because you pushing my foot outward and shit. Whew. You can push my back, see how far I go?
Push your back.
Yeah. And my auntie used to do this shit. You gotta go slow. Go ahead. Keep going.
You just look so stiff.
I am. I used to be able to do this shit. Ouch. Sit on this motherfucker.
This hurts so bad. Stop.
I forgot the mirror was right there.
What?
I said I forgot the mirror was right there.
You forgot it's people right there.
That nigga was walking out. He just farted.
Ouch.
He just farted.
What? No. Why do you think that?
Oh.
Why do you think that?
I thought I heard it. Thought I heard the one.
Maybe it's the ground, but no.
It was something.
Huh?
It was something.
Don't be blaming your shit on me.
Why you hitting me?
Because.
That's what I didn't want to fucking do. I'm about to. Whoa.
Eyes on my face.
I'm gonna fart on you. Look at you pink eye.
You already be farting on me. That's all he fucking do is fart.
I ain't fart.
In my bed.
You ain't smelled me fart
Under the sheets.
one time since I've been here.
Yes, I have.
You lying, cause I ain't smelled it.
Just because you don't smell it doesn't mean I don't smell it. You're probably just
no.
used to how your shit smells.
I used to. I never get used to how my shit smell. You can do this.
No. No. Why you don't spread your legs more?
That's not what a muscle is. I do not feel good. Let's go, Blue Master.
45.
Yep. Come on. You do leg streets three times a week. What's the problem?
Okay, I've never done this machine before. I don't think I can do 45 on this.
It's time to grow up.
Huh?
It's time to grow up.
Oh, fuck no.
Yeah. Yeah, push.
I feel like I'm gonna slide off.
Push the weight. Yeah. Yeah, now you working. Now you working.
I'm scared I'm gonna slide off from here.
You're not gonna fly. You're not gonna slide off. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Come on, two more. 9, one more. Come on. You never did a 45 for what? You just make 10. Come on, man. 10.
I'm probably breathing so hard right now.
I got you. I'm gonna do 2 since I'm making you do 1.
Oh, these breakfast tacos are gonna hit. I haven't had breakfast tacos in so long. I just been cooking breakfast every day.
That girl out here doing 45. Stop playing with her. Focus on the muscle intention. Focus on the muscle. Yeah, get lower too. You warmed up now. There we go. 3. Let's go. 4. There we go. You working. 5 more. Come on. There we go. 4 more. 3 more. There we go. Don't you dare. Come on. 2 more. Earn it. You gotta earn them. 1 more. Way to earn it. Way to earn it. I got jacket too.
Can't get through all this work and not have people calling, bro.
Yeah, feel you. What's up, bro?
YouTube?
Yes, sir.
I'll check y'all out, see what you're about.
Good. Just want to check right here.
Robert, nice to meet you.
Eric, nice to meet you. Angel? Eric, nice to meet you.
I did 6, I swear to God.
I'll turn around now, you all of a sudden you done.
I did 6.
Did you really?
Yes, son. I'm tired of this grandpa.
I don't give a fuck, Keisha.
That's not what it says. That's not what it says.
You want them results in 6 months? You shouldn't be going no less than what you doing today ever again. Come on, you got it.
Oh,
There we go. That's easy. That's easy work, right?
no, it's not.
Come on. That's easy work. Come on. Ooh. Ooh, that's easy work.
No, it's not.
That's easy work.
No, it's not. I can't breathe.
What?
I feel woozy.
Good. That's how you need to be feeling. All right, it's just 1 rep. Just 1 rep. You know what you about to do, right?
What?
You know what you about to do, right?
25 and a 10?
Huh?
Why 2 plays? Why you don't just add a 10 to the
Because you
20?
can do it. You find that shit out about yourself. Let's work, man. Kill it. Come on. Push. Ooh,
Oh my God.
come on.
Is it down?
Two plays, nigga. Come on, man. Come on, man. Hey, you be doing 25s and shit. That's what I'm talking about.
Hey, how the hell I got way like 2 million views on
Okay.
TikTok, but they never paid.
I really don't know how TikTok works.
They fucked me.
Yeah, I think they changed the rules recently.
Yeah, but they gotta pay me for my views, though.
Yeah. I mean, I think the way people make the most money now is through the shop.
Who?
It's through the shop, like selling shit on TikTok.
Oh, okay. So
And
they
like-
bought the views. So you got to get that contract with them to just start selling their shit.
Well, I don't even think you need a contract. You just need to get like affiliate links, and it's like commission based.
So how much money you make off them?
Shit, it's ebbs and flows, bro. Ebbs and
But you
flows.
gotta stick with it though.
Yeah,
My oldest son is your age too. Well, I got two. I got 125, 124.
nice.
But he has a clothing line. They got a clothing line called, I think it's called Rock Alley. I don't know. Rock Life or some shit.
Okay.
Party Life or something. I don't know. I'm old. I'm probably way older than your parents.
Yeah.
Anyway, y'all can stick with it, man.
Yeah.
What brought you to Austin?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
that mean you know what that means, right?
Yeah.
You make that shit work.
Oh yeah.
If you leave your city for a girl, that means you gotta make it work.
Always.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
What's your name, homie?
Eric,
Chris.
nice to meet you.
Rich.
I'm gonna get your information before I leave. Like just cause I don't do it don't mean I get baby weight.
That is baby weight for you.
I know. I said I'm gonna just do it one time, so I can get the motion. Then you can just add weight on there for me. I'm just tight enough. All right. So what I do?
Okay, you lift your hips up, and then push these forward.
Push these forward.
Yeah.
Hey, y'all gonna be in tomorrow?
Yeah. That's a bit. So push.
Yeah, lift your hips up and then push forward. There you go.
Okay.
Got it? What do you want?
You can put 2 plates on there. It's that nut in the 3,000 on my mama.
That's a what?
It's that nut in the 3,000 on my mama.
Don't say that.
Hey, stop playing. Ooh. I ain't gonna lie, boy. Girl workouts when it comes to glutes and shit, like even on the barbells, when y'all be doing that shit, like on the, them bitches be crushing, boy. Ah. Yeah.
No, 35.
You just did a plate in the 25.
35.
That's 20 more pounds.
Do 35. Yes, I can only do like maybe, you know how hard that shit was?
You just showed yourself you can do more than what you think you can do. Rack
One
it up.
time.
Strap up, man.
Okay, so one time.
3 times, strap up. 5 times.
One time.
You did a plate in 25, 10 times. 5 times. Strap up, on my mama. Stay mad at me, y'all. This what it take when you push a motherfucker to be great. This what Joe Jackson was getting scrutinized for, my mama.
What?
This what Joe Jackson was getting scrutinized for. I'm gonna push you to be great, Stink. Let's go. Strap up. Ready? Come on. You push. Yeah. Oh yeah. Push. Come on. That's what I'm talking about, nigga. That's what the fuck I'm talking about. Stop telling yourself you can't do shit, my nigga. You really hurt. Feel me? Feel me? You just did 2 plates over there, 2 plates here. Come on. This what it look like. This what it look like to push. Push them limits. This how you gonna get stronger. By pushing the limit. Nigga?
Looked like that hurt.
Huh?
So it looked like that hurt.
Yeah, it did. It did.
You should be good at this anyways.
Yep.
Ow, 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 ow. These be hurting my hips. Ow.
Cause of my fist?
No, it's giving me a cramp.
I mean, it's working.
But it hurts. Ow, 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 ow.
either.
I think I was like 6, 7. Why are you doing 145? You're supposed to do more than me.
Bro, I don't do this shit.
Exactly. You be saying, see, the double standards.
Not really, because I don't do that, and I just did that. This, I just know I can't even go that far, so it's like...
That's why you have to stretch.
I think this helping that. Fuck.
Do you feel it right here?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna do this. It might help better if we hold on to that.
Not leaning forward like I'm some... No.
What?
I said I ain't about to be leaning forward like I'm some mortal. Like I got a pussy in my pants.
You're like, what? You're cheating.
I'm trying my best.
You got it? How many was that?
4.
5. 6. 7. 8. 9. One more. 10. Yay.
This shit ain't gonna feel good when it's time to wake up.
What?
This is not gonna feel good when it's time to wake up.
I'm ready to
Damn.
quit my job. I don't want to go to work.
Well,
Fuck working. I hate work.
fuck work.
Tired of this shit, Grandpa.
I was about to say somebody ran off with the whip. Right.
What? What?
Alright, y'all. We about to go get tacos. She finna go to work. I'm gonna go to sleep. And we'll see y'all later for London session. Alright, y'all. It's currently 5:13 in the morning. Right now we are in GU sales. So far, I mean, trade looking good. Nice range. There's a beautiful range here. Got a nice break of the range. Especially after all this news yesterday that happened. So, looked like a nice correction. I mean, and then it's also a lot of, you know, it's a lot of candlestick prints right here, which, you know, brings confidence of what a stop loss is, 15 pip stop. So, I mean, like, if this trade lose, then then it wasn't meant to win type shit. But pretty confident in this. I'm probably about to lay down and go to sleep because we going to Dallas in 4 hours. So even though I'm not sleepy, but I'm driving, so shit, I probably should lay down. But pretty much, man. Whoa. Y'all can let me know if I look gay. Let me know. Y'all can be honest. No, y'all fuck with me, but it is what it is. I'm on stink setup. But, I mean, everything pretty much set. Like, stop loss set. TP set. I think I'm about to just lay down and go to sleep. I'm gonna end this vlog. Because 4th of July weekend, we're gonna be in Dallas. We're gonna be vibing out. And it might be some eventful things happening, so yeah. Obviously, I'm gonna just drop the video and then trade breakdown tomorrow, and then obviously the vlogs moving forward. So, yo, appreciate y'all the new subs and everything. I'm rocking with y'all. Y'all rocking with me. Let's keep it rolling.